अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम एफएससी बायोलॉजी पार्ट 1 के चैप्टर 3 इंजाइम्स की इम्पोर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स के बारे में यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। इंजाइम्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोटीन्स विच आर बायोलॉजिकली एक्टिव. The catalytic activity of enzyme is restricted to a small portion of the enzymes known as active site. The reactant called substrate is attached to the active site of enzyme. If the non-protein part is covalently bonded to enzymes, it is known as prosthetic group. An activated enzymes consisting of polypeptide chains and a cofactor is known as holoenzyme. Enzymes are very specific in their action. An enzyme is a three-dimensional globular protein. An enzymes and its substrate react with each other through definite charge bearing site called as active sites. Lock and key model was proposed by Emil Fischer in 1890. An inhibitor is a chemical substance which can react with enzymes but is not transformed into products and thus block the active site. For enzymes of human body, 37 degrees centigrade is the optimum temperature. Irreversible inhibitors occupy the active sites by forming covalent bonds, or they may physically block the active sites. The cofactor usually act as bridge between the enzymes and substrate. If the non-protein part is loosely attached to the protein part, it is known as coenzyme. The enzymes are globular proteins. Any enzymes react only with its specific substrate. The active site of an enzyme is made up of two definite regions, which are binding site and catalytic site. Induced fit model was proposed by Koshland in 1959. If the amount of enzyme is increased by twofold, the reaction rate is doubled. All enzymes can work at their maximum rate at a specific temperature called optimum temperature. Every enzyme functions most effectively over a narrow range of pH known as optimum pH. Because of the structural similarity with the substrate, competitive inhibitors may be selected by the binding site but are not able to activate the catalytic site. Some enzymes also have a non-protein part known as cofactor, which is essential for the proper functioning of the enzymes. Any factor that can alter the chemistry and shape of an enzyme can affect its rate of catalysis. At low concentration of substrate, the reaction rate is directly proportional to the available substrate. Extreme change in pH cause the bonds in the enzymes to break, resulting in the enzymes denaturation. Reversible inhibitors form a weak linkage with enzyme. Non-competitive inhibitors form enzymes inhibitor complex at a point other than active site. Some enzymes use metal ions as cofactor like magnesium ions, iron ions, copper ions. The detachable cofactor is known as an activator if it is inorganic ion. An enzyme with its coenzymes or prosthetic group removed is designated as opoenzyme. The chemical reactions can be accelerated by an enzyme even in small amount. For a minor change in pH, temperature and substrate concentration, enzymes are sensitive. The activation energy of the reaction is lowered by enzymes. The binding site helps the enzymes in the recognition and binding of a proper substrate to produce an ES complex, enzyme substrate complex. According to lock and key model, the active site is a rigid structure. By increasing the enzyme molecules, there is an increase in the number of active site. Heat provides the activation energy and therefore chemical reactions are accelerated at high temperature. The ionization of the amino acids at the active site can be changed by a slight change in pH. The optimum pH of pepsin is 2. The optimum pH of sucrase is 4.5. The optimum pH of enterokinase is 5.5. The optimum pH of salivary amylase is 6.80. The optimum pH of catalases is 7.6. The optimum pH of chymotrypsin is 7 to 8. The optimum pH of pancreatic lipase is 9. The optimum pH of arginase is 9.7. Poisons like cyanide, antibodies, antimetabolites and some drugs are examples of inhibitors. Enzymes involved in respiration are found in mitochondria. Enzymes involved in photosynthesis are found in chloroplast. A coenzyme is closely related to vitamins. Enzymes involved in the synthesis of proteins are integral part of ribosomes. Pepsin is a powerful protein digesting enzyme, the effect of which inhibitors can be neutralized completely or partially by an increase in the concentration of the substrate. Reversible inhibitor. Thanks for watching, and for more MCQs please subscribe.